Going to see class arithmetic progress key exercise number 6.2 question number 11 6.2 arithmetic progress key chapter number 6 key exercise 6.2 question number 11. Let's first read the question. Let's read the question. The sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 10. Let's first try to understand what the question is saying. The sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 10. Sum of first 7 term of an AP. 7 term, first 7 term. It means starting from first term, second term, third term, fourth term, up to the what? Up to the 7th term. Sum. The sum of this 7 term, first 7 term is 10. Yan tarba. Sum of first 7 terms is 10 haba. And that of the next term. Next term from where? Well, first 1 to 7 is a 7th term, and then starting from next 7th term, it will be started from A8. Next 7th term will be started from A8, A9, A10, A11, A12, A13 up to A14 is the next 7th term. Man I say first the sum of the first 7 term. Sum of the first 7 term means from A1 to A7 is 10. And that of the next 7 term is 17. Next 7 term will be started from the A8. We have A7 up to here we have A7. Then the next 7 term will be started from A8 to the A14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This next 7 terms whose sum is given as 17. Whose sum is given as what? 17. Got it? Okay then, if we want the sum from A1 to A14, then what will be the value? Here is given sum from A1 to A7 is 10. Sum from A8 to A14 is 17. And what is the value of sum from A1 to A14? What will be the value? Sum of? It will be 10 plus 17. Right? A1 dagina A7 bau 10 ne haire, A8 dagina A14 bau na 17 ne haire. Adu itardi, if we want to add from A1 to A14, Natra, A1 dagina A14 bo akhoi add tabo pamagadi magi value do plus torani 10 plus 7 what we get 27 we get 27. Now the question, what the question want, find the first term and the common difference. The question asks to find out the first term A and what common difference D. Yarba the high second the first term the 7 super term it's given 10. Its value is 10. The sum from A term to the next 7 term means started from the A to the 14th term will be 17. If we add from first term to the 14th term, we get what? 27, right? We can write here. We can write this also like this. S 1 to 7 means S7. S7 is what? 10. And from 1 to 14, it means S14 equal to what? 27. Yeah, bro? Yeah, okay then. Let's do calculation. Exercise 6.2, question number 11. Start. Let A and D. A and D always denote first term and the common difference. Be the what? First term and common difference. respectively. Okay, we have written let A and D be the first term and the common difference respectively. And we have given that the sum of 4 7 terms, sum of 4 7 term is 7, sum of 4 7 term, sum of 4 7 term is 7 equal to what? Sorry, it's 10. And the sum of force 14 term, force 14 term is 14 equal to, we get 10 plus what? 17 equal to 27. Can you understand how the 27 come up? Khangadra? Khangeko? Khangeko? Akona sida kai dorage hai kanda from A1 to the A14, A1 to the A7 we get 10, and starting next term, next 7 term, A to the what? A to the A14 is 17. If we add from A1 to the A14, we get 10 plus 7, that is 27. That's why we written here 27. There you go. Okay then let's find the value of A and B. Okay, then let's find the value of A and D. We know that Sn equal to what? N by 2 twice A plus N minus 1 whole into D. But here we had given the value S7 equal to 10. Then let's write S7. See, look here, we are written here the value of in place of value of n, we write here 7. It means the value of this n will be 7. And the value of n will be 7 because we are writing 7 in place of n here. Aduna, there is the 7 by 2. We write here 7 by 2 twice A plus, in place of n we will write 7 minus 1 whole into D. Right? What is the value of S7? The value of S7 is what? 10. 10 equal to 7 by 2 twice A plus what? 6D. We got up to this. Okay, let's come on this side. Let's remove this one. And then, let's solve this one. We can solve here also. This implies that 10 into 2 by 7 twice A plus 6D. You see this one? What we got here? 20 by 7 equal to twice A plus 6D. We can solve further also, or we can either left it. Mai thama ma si yare do solve to si yare S14 dagi solve amaga tawraga. Aduna sida kai doge hai kanda akhoina sigi equation che swai sida adum thama maga solve to si yare. We can put here equation number 1. Arba. And then next come to this one, S14. Again S14. S14 equal to 14 by 2 twice a plus, here we get the value of n as a 14, then we write here as 14 minus 1 to d. What is the value of s14? Sum of 14 terms? 27. Here we have 27. We can cut this also as 7. And 7 will be here. What we get here? Twice a plus 5. Oh, sorry. It's 13d. This is equation number. Okay, wait. We can write also. Okay. This will be equation number 2. Copy and do this. Sila ba? Copy to reko. Today mo icham sama wari ni man hai say here given is s7. S7 is 10 and s14 is 27. We get 27 as s14 sum of. Then from S7 dagi akoina kai tawra si equation just solve tawraga we get an equation, and then from S14 dagi S14 also, from S14 we solve again similar equation. Hangaba we get equation number 1 and equation number 2. Equation number 1 and equation number 2 ko se solve tawra se solve tawra si ko. Can I remove this one? Thalagi ko si sima. Okay, let's remove this one. Duga asi solve tawra se. Subtract of se. Let's subtract. Subtracting equation number 1 from 2. You can either subtract equation number 2 from 1 also. Subtracting equation number 1 from 2. 1 from 2, start from 2, we are subtracting from 2, then let's write first from the equation number 2. 27 minus 7 minus 27, what is here? Twice a plus 13d, let's keep in a bracket because there is a minus here. Twice a plus 6d. This implies that let's take LCM. 27 minus 20, let's open the bracket, twice a plus 13d minus what? Twice a minus plus, it will become minus 6d. And here we get 27 minus 20 is get what we get? 7. Here twice a and twice a is cancelled, 13d and 6d, it means 7d. 7 divided 7, 1. Here comes to divided 7 equal to d. What is the value of d? What is the value of d? Yes, the value of d is 1 by 7. Here we get the value of d equal to 1 by 7. Now we left to find the value of what? A. Let's put the value of d in equation number 1. Let's put the value of d. Let's put the value of d. The value of d 1 by 7. Let's put this in equation number 1. Let's put this in equation number 1. From equation 1. The value of equation 1 is 20 by 7 equal to twice a plus 6d. Let's put the value of d. D value is 1 by 7. 20 by 7 equal to twice a plus 6 into what is the value of d? 1 by 7. And then it becomes 20 by 7 equal to twice a plus 6 by 7. Let's bring this one on this side. 20 by 7 minus 6 by 7 equal to twice a. What is the value? (20 minus 6 equal to twice a). It will be what? 14 by 7 equal to twice A. 2. 7 divided by 14, 2 by 2 A. It becomes A equal to what? 1. A equal to 1. Here we get the value of first term as 1. Here we get the value of first term as 1 and the common difference is 1 by 7. Yarabra, A की वैल्यू फंगे को, D की वैल्यू फंगे को, यार है? Sir, next question दो sir. Next question. Read the next question. Read the next question. Question number 12. Find the sum of the first 50 terms of an AP whose nth term is 3 minus 2n. Let's try to understand first. What the question was asking is that the sum of the first 50 terms. Sum. The question is asking about the sum of what? 50 terms. Sum of 50 terms. The question is asking to find the sum of the first 50 terms. S50. The question is asking about the sum of the first 50 terms. And what is given? And the given is nth term. Here the nth term is given. Nth term is given as n term. The value of n term is given as 3 minus 2n. 3 minus 2n. It is given. Here given is the value of nth term. Nth term की value पिरा में क्या 3 minus 2n. 3 minus 2n पिरा में अदुगा करी पुथो है बा S50 पुथो है बा. We know that when we are going to find the sum, what is the formula of Sn? If we want to find the sum, we need to have the value of n. Then we need to have the value of a plus n minus 1 whole into d. Look here. When we want to find the sum, we need to find the value of n. Then we must have the value of a, and then we must have the value of d. Value of n, value of a, and value of d is necessary to find the sum. Adu itade akhona sum se puthoke haba taragadi akhona dakar oi base n khambam dakar oi, a khamba dakar oi, and d khamba dakar oi. But where is n? N is given here as 50. Term 50 have any n ki value dekhoi khange. From here we can know that 50 the value of n is 50. And what about the value of a? And what about the value of d? A की value lebra laite, d की value lebra laite. Kai di thideba. From where? They thought thideba. Khangabra se pyramid size they talk about. Given haba se no the kai gumba pon ma given taramba haba se say use to haba neba. Khangabra use to have how to use. Adagi di kai no khoi na pami ba se sian yenga daba. Pothok to se kai no S50 puthok pa se kai formula season ani Sn formula season ani sum formula season ani se lai le khoi mama khoi mang da lai re formula lai re kai kai khangba dakar oi n khangba dakar oi a ki value khangba dakar oi d ki value khangba dakar oi. We get the value of n kai no the man S50 hairam mani na a की value लाइट्रे d की value लाइट्रे a की value d की value को इसकी पुथो पता रहे अदोई ताड़ी हंगनी को okay a की value d की value को मैं पुथो की यंग से actually n term से कोई ना कुमा e n term है नहीं है ना इब्रा Equal. Equal. Others they say if we put here in place of n, if we put 1. Okay, or today first term, it become first term. And let's put the value of sige n yi mahutta aina kai hapak to ba 1. Adu kya tare? 1. So koi kai khang kya? The value of first term is 1. Khang ba? Khang ko. And the value of second term is n yi moto 2 sin biro yango 3 minus 2n. Natra 3 minus 2 into 2. Sige 2 ki value se sin kata ba? 2 are 4. What is the value? Minus 1. Here we get a value of a1 and we get a value of a2. If we have the value of n1 and a2, we can find the value of d. What is the value of d? How we do find the value of d? D is the common difference between a2 minus a1. D phanga ba? Phange. We get the value of a, we get the value of d. Smai puthok kata ba? Aduna se koi haurasi koi khange akoi puthok toi se kai no khange akoi na dakar oi ba pot sing se akoi phange aduna khot pa haurasi. Let question number kya no 12. Question number 12. Let a and d are always represent first term and common difference. A and d be the first term and common difference respectively. Okay, let a and d be the first term and common difference respectively. They given an term. The value of an is 3 minus 2n. That's right. Okay, a1. From here we can find the value of a1. a1 means the first term. a1 means first term. 3 minus 2 into 1. Putting the value of n as 1. 3 minus 2 equal to what? 1. a2. a2 equal to kaina 3 minus 2 into 2. Putting the value of n as 2. 3 minus 4 equal to minus 1. From here we get the value of d. D value di kya no? a2 minus a1. What is the value of a2? Minus 1 minus what is the value of a1? 1. Then what is the value of d? Minus 2. The value of d is minus 2. Yarba? Okay. Sidagi, what we are going to find is S50. S kaya? 50. We have the formula as n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 whole into d. We have this formula. And we can put the value of n as 50 as it is the sum of 50 terms. The number of terms considered here is 50. So we write here 50 in place of n. Twice, what is the value of a? What is the value of a? 1. A is the first term. First term is 1. 2 into 1. Plus, what is the value of n? 50 minus 1. What is the value of d? Okay, the value of d is minus 2. Don't forget to put bracket. Don't forget to put the bracket. The minus yaure do bracket have to dilalani. If we don't put the bracket over here, say kayo laki mo. It change some lakra. Ha. Sila is a minus 1 lakra. Like ko, my notation is change like if we put bracket, it's become multiply. Here is multiply. So we put bracket over here also. So sina ko kaya 25. 2 1 is 2 plus 50 minus 1 is 49 multiply minus 2. 25 2 plus minus minus 2 9 18 2 4 are 8 9 98, right? Chumra chumiko kya targe what is the value? minus 96 multiply toro what is the value of what is the value of 25 into minus 96 क्या तारे हेरो 2 what 2400 it's become minus 2400 यार बा मायना खंगनी करी खंगदब यावी येंगो डी पुथोके हेबा तारगदी अखोइदा लेगदोसे टर्म अनि लेगदबनी कंजुगेटिव टर्म अनि a2 minus a1 aduna अखोइना a1 के a2 का पुथोइबनी यान ताइको सी a1 के a2 का कई पुथोइनो हेबा तार मतमदा अखोइ फर्स्ट टर्म की a1 जेम 1 जेम दकार ओइरे एंड अखोइ कॉमन डिफरेंस d पुथोपा पामे कॉमन डिफरेंस d पामबनीना d की दमकता अखोइन a2 का पुथोइबा अदुगा कई पुतरबा d हेबजिदी a2 minus a1 a2 का a1 का माइनस तगोदबा सेकंड सुबा टर्म का फर्स्ट टर्म दुगो माइनस तगोदबा अदुना सिदा लैरे -2 अदु अखोइने s50 पुथोरे क्या तारे -2400 यारबा यारे को खंग दब याब्रा